Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by choosing a platform that matches your needs. Pick Lightweight REPL for quick tests or Colab/Code Spaces for more resources. Once signed in, upload your Pi file or place code into a new notebook cell. Make sure to include a requirements. TXT when you need third-party packages. This ensures the environment installs what your program needs. While uploading, check Python version options and select one compatible with your code. These first steps get you into a runnable environment fast. Next, configure the runtime. Pick the Python version and set any required environment variables so the program behaves predictably. Once done, install dependencies. Use pip install R requirements. TXT or the platform's package UI to avoid missing modules. Then run your code using the notebook cell, the platform's run button, or a terminal command like Python main. Monitor the console output for errors and iteratively fix import or version mismatches. This middle stage is where finally confirm results and preserve your work. Download outputs, save logs, and commit the project snapshot so you can reproduce runs later. If things go wrong, read the traceback carefully. It tells you which file and line failed. Make sure dependency versions match those you tested locally and that the platform's resource limits, memory, CPU, runtime aren't exceeded. As a key troubleshooting tip, recreate the error in a minimal script to isolate the cause quickly. This narrows fixes and avoids wasted changes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.